Now you have received your Welcome to CDM Plus email. The email will include the download link, your hosting ID, and hosting password you can use to connect your CDM Plus database to our hosting server. In this video, we're going to go over the installation of the CDM Plus desktop application on a macOS computer system. You can either use the download link provided in the welcome email, or open up your browser, go to help.saran.com. In our Help Center, click Get CDM Plus at the top, and then download latest CDM Plus desktop. Here on the Download Links page, use the option to download for a Mac OS. This link will download the installer for the CDM Plus desktop application. Once downloaded, you can minimize your browser, click on your Downloads folder, and then double-click on the package. This brings up the CDM Plus installer window, where we will follow the instructions on each of the pages as we go through. We'll first start by clicking Continue. You can review the license agreement, click Continue, and then choose to agree to terms and conditions. Click to install. You're going to enter in your Mac OS computer password. When the installation is complete, you can close this window, and if desired, you can move the installer to the trash. With that, CDM Plus is now installed on your computer. To open up CDM Plus, go to your Finder, go to Applications, and then double-click on CDM Plus. This will take you to the Setup Assistant, where you will enter in your hosting ID and hosting password provided to you from the Welcome to CDM Plus email. If you want to confirm that you've entered the correct password, simply click the eye icon where you can see what you've typed in, and then click Continue when ready. Occasionally, you may see an update screen. In this case, simply click on Install Update to install the latest version of CDM Plus. Go through the install instructions again. Once complete, simply close the window. Go back to your Applications folder. You're taken to the login screen where you can log into CDM Plus to begin to use the CDM Plus desktop application.